I'm gonna be replacing this really dangerous ceiling fan with this loft bed so high up. The blades can easily hit my daughter in the head. We're gonna be replacing it with this bladeless ceiling fan. So it does have a blade, but it's contained within a cage. It's great for kids and teenagers because lights change colors, and you can also play music with it by downloading the app. And it plays your music too. All right, nice.
It's the next song.
Can you change the colors on the app?
Oh yeah. Let me go to the app real quick. And I can put it to like purple.
Lower than low
Oh
prices.
wait.
All into great
I don't know if you do both at the same time. But oh, see look.
Boneless chicken breasts for
Okay.
and get 12 packs.
It takes a little to change the color though.
Okay, change it.
Each, all with your card
Oh,
and a digital
nice.
coupon. Plus, save big with your digital or
Oh
loyalty
yeah.
account. Tap the screen now to download the Kroger app.
I'll probably keep it on pink.
Sweet.
Kroger.